If you try to generate lip-synced videos in Grok AI, you'll often see that the voices of different characters don't stay consistent across scenes. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to keep the voice tone consistent in Grok AI. So, your characters sound like the same person from the first scene to the last. You'll find links to all the prompts and resources used in this tutorial in the description below. Let's start from the foundation, because voice consistency doesn't actually start inside Grok. It starts with a fixed voice definition, and for that, we'll use ChatGPT. In this story, we have two characters, so we need two separate voice profiles, one male and one female. Each voice is created individually using a very specific prompt. First, open ChatGPT and create the male voice profile. Use this prompt exactly as it is, which you'll find in the description too. Now, ChatGPT will generate a single clean paragraph with precise details for Grok AI, like volume level, speaking speed, pitch range, tone texture, pauses, and delivery style. This is exactly what we want. Also, make sure you ask for one paragraph only. If ChatGPT gives a long response, the voice becomes less predictable and harder to reproduce. Once ChatGPT generates the response, copy only the voice description. Now repeat the same process for the female character. Simply replace Indian male with Indian female in the prompt. By the end of this step, you should have two clean technical voice profiles, one male and one female. Now that you have your voice profiles ready, it's time to bring them into Grok AI. Open Grok and select the first clip of your story. This clip includes only the male character, so we'll use the male voice profile here. At the very beginning of your Grok prompt, add this line, "He speaks like." Immediately after that, paste the entire male voice profile you generated in ChatGPT. This tells Grok exactly how the character should sound, not just what he's saying, but how he's saying it. Next, scroll to the end of the prompt and add the dialogue. Write it like this. He says, then add your line, for example. "Another quiet evening. This little bottle keeps me company." Once everything is in place, press enter and let Grok generate the clip. Now look at this result and listen carefully.
Another quiet evening. These little bottles keep me company.
It sounds much better and natural. This voice now becomes the base voice for your male character. Now let's move on to the next clip of the story. This scene includes both characters, so this time we'll use both voice profiles. At the top of your Grok prompt, start by clearly labeling each voice. First, add the male voice. Type, "He speaks like." Then paste the full male voice profile. Right after that, add the female voice. Type, "She speaks like," and paste the full female voice profile. Once the voices are set, scroll down to add the dialogue. Before each line, clearly tell Grok who is speaking. For the male character, write, "He says," and then add his dialogue. For the female character, write, "She says," and then add her dialogue. Now, press enter and generate the clip. Listen to the result.
Good evening. The rose fragrance, please.
Of course, I kept one aside for you.
Even though this is a new scene, the voices stay consistent. Same tone, same pitch, same pacing. That's the power of using fixed technical voice profiles. From here on, the process stays simple. For every new clip, keep the "he speaks like" and "she speaks like" sections exactly the same. You only need to change the dialogue under "he says" and "she says." This is what locks the voice.
You always choose Rose.
Yes, it reminds my mother of happier days.
After generating each clip, listen carefully to the tone, pace, pitch, accent, and emotional delivery. If a clip feels slightly off, just regenerate it once or twice. So there you have it, a detailed workflow to create consistent voices for multiple characters in Grok AI. Use the prompts and resources in the description and let me know your feedback about this workflow in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, check out this video next.